So I had asked, not only in the video, but also on my Facebook page, which if people prefer the busy or the simple. And as expected, it was pretty much evenly divided. So I didn't get, any answer from that. But I'm thinking the busy would be very cool with different tones of the same color. So, blues, purples, kind of thing. And this, it might be cool to try a bigger arc. So just some thoughts on that. This I am going to do, I've got some bright colors. I want to do another. This I blew and then did some straw work. I may use the airbrush just because I'm using a bigger canvas. So let me get the camera up here and let's get started. All right. Woo! I just mixed up that neon orange and could not decide if I should use it or not use it. So I may not use it at first. I'll see how it looks because the orange and the blue don't always play well together. But I don't just want these three because that's too bright. I mean, it needs some grounding from the blue. And I definitely don't want to use purple because purple and yellow and orange don't generally play well together either. So, with that being said, the white paint I'm using right now is ARTEZA titanium white mixed with Floetrol and water. And I have not switched from my Dutch boy. I cannot get the lid off. But as I had said, I'd gotten some of the ARTEZA for free. The biggest difference I'm noticing between the house paint is the acrylic paint is so rubbery. I guess rubbery is a good word for it. Whereas house paint, like chips, and the acrylic is, rubbery is a good term. Dry, shiny, and rubbery. So there is a big difference between the two, but as far as how it actually works to paint with, I don't find much of a difference. And it does dry shinier, but a lot of the time I use a matte varnish, so that doesn't really matter to me either. Maybe it's more elasticy instead of rubbery. Maybe elasticy is a better word. I do not know like details on paint compositions, but obviously there is a lot of scientific mumbo jumbo that I don't understand, so I won't even pretend to. But I am happy to learn I don't always have to torch. But that is just torching out the air bubbles. So this is our ARTEZA neon pink. And then this yellow is our ARTEZA. It's 3 different of their yellows mixed together. And then this is Liquitex Basic Primary Blue. Lid is not on right. Yeah, I'm gonna use the airbrush. I feel like with this size that my hair's not pulled back right now. So I feel it would mainly just be painting with my hair. Ooh, I just want to see what would happen if I glue the white back over it. You know, the pink and the yellow kind of make their own orange, so I doubt I will add the orange. Now that's different. I don't normally toss the white back. Isn't that neat? That area did not do so well. But wowza, that's awesome. Like, so amazingly awesome. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. I'm so happy with this. Oh my gosh, I haven't been this happy, I don't think, with a painting in quite a while. OMG. Love it, love it. Love it, love it, love it. That air compressor did blow. I'm just going to try and torch from far. There. Didn't even. Oh my gosh, I totally dig it. I'm not. kind of testing to see how much paint is left on there. I'm a little weary from the painting last week that dried right off of the canvas. Well. Okay. Show it to you up close. So excited. I love this right there. Oh my gosh. Can you tell I'm smiling right now? Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Yay. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.